People, good morning. This is Johan Rousseau. It's been quite some time since we released the last video. And this particular video is about a funeral parlor assaulting another funeral parlor as a result of storage and removal fees. One funeral parlor is a legitimate, fully compliant funeral parlor, and the other funeral parlors operating looks like a scrapyard, extorting 6,000 rand from a family for one-day storage. Is that acceptable? Is that acceptable by government? Is that acceptable by industry? Is it acceptable by funeral associations, which has opposed the reform that we've requested, and requesting a regulator and an ombudsman to protect both the funeral industry and the public. Everyone claims to provide dignified, passionate services, but then they're exploiting, the one is exploiting the other to the expense of the public. We need to ask ourselves, why has this assault not been prohibited or stopped, which happened in the presence of the police? Are they part and parcel of this corrupt activities? Why didn't they act against this assault that happened in their presence? Why did they push for payment, a cash payment to the parlor, and it didn't go through the systems? There was no receipts. There was nothing involved. So we need to ask ourselves, whilst the country is fighting for taxes, we've got stakeholders supported by government officials, particularly the police, advocating for this to happen. We need to stop this, because if someone gets seriously assaulted or shot and passes away in the process, we will hold stakeholders, government and industry accountable for what they have done and allowed since we started this process in 2003. And if there's any organization that wants to challenge us, please do that publicly. Let's not do that on TikTok and on Facebook. Let's have a public debate about this on national television so that 60 million people can hear what is actually happening behind the scenes and not being bullshitted by certain stakeholders to live in a make-me-believe world, because it's not happening. Thank you very much. All the best. Bye-bye.